So a little bit of sawdust is collected, but a lot of sawdust remain. Okay, let's try again. You can see there's some sawdust, but on camera I don't seem to see the sawdust flying around all over the place. So it does minimize it with a vacuum. It's not perfect, but it does minimize it. Okay, so you see there's no sawdust on this side. There is some sawdust on this side, so that means the dust collection is not completely successful. I probably can enclose this part, sort of make like a box of some kind to collect the dust so it won't get into your workshop or whatever. But I have to figure out the way when I make that box or whatever, because you feed the wood on this side, right? So you don't want to impede the freedom of inserting your material. So that would be a challenge. I will have to think about that. So the vacuum does work. I was a little worried about using a vacuum because the saw itself is like 12 amps, and usually a good vacuum can run like 10-12 amps, and you would not be able to plug bulb into a single circuit without tripping circuit breaker. So what I did was I used my, you see there, back there, the portable jumper. It has a DC to AC inverter and is capable of doing 400 watts. So this small vacuum is 2.5 amps only. So it draws maybe like a little over 200 watts on low. So that's what I set it on when I was doing the dust collection. But still, it's not 100%. It's a work in progress. So this is the setup. That's a saw with all the holes where sawdust can come out. I tape it with the aluminum tape, and this is a small vacuum. This is the dust ejection port that I 3D printed. I was able to draw the entire adapter, but when I printed it, it didn't come out too good because I guess of the odd structure, and you need some kind of support here and there and whatnot. So I ended up, I had to do it in pieces, and then I just hot glue it together, and then the whole thing gets hot glued to the shell of the circular saw. And this is a 2.5 amp vacuum. That's the die hard. So yeah, let's turn this on, and it shows actually how much watts it's drawing. 85, 183, 184. It will be if it overloads. I bet if I turn it on high, it's gonna beep. Let's turn it on high. That's 300 watts, 287. Yeah, it seems to be okay for a short duration. And this sort of, I wouldn't have to put the extra AC load on my house circuit.